If you are a software developer, your code editor is basically your digital home. For years, VS Code has been the undisputed king of that home. But let's be honest, VS Code is built on Electron, which means every time you open a large workspace, your RAM takes a hit and your laptop starts warming up your desk. Enter Zed, the ultra-fast, high-performance code editor written from scratch in Rust, designed specifically to bring raw speed back to software development. Zed isn't just another text editor trying to look cool. It was created by the original team behind Atom and TreeSitter. They took everything they learned over the last decade and asked a simple question. What if a code editor was built natively to harness every single CPU core and GPU shader on your machine? The result is unbelievable speed. Zed uses your GPU to render text at a rock-solid 120 frames per second. Opening massive codebases, jumping between files, and running global searches happens instantaneously. There's zero input lag. When you type, the characters appear on screen before your brain even registers the keypress. Beyond sheer speed, Zed comes packed with modern features out of the box. First, native language server protocol support. You get intelligent autocomplete, go-to definition, and instant diagnostic errors for Rust, TypeScript, Python, Go, and dozens of other languages without needing to install 30 heavy plugins just to get basic coding support. Second, native AI integration. Zed allows you to connect OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, or local LLMs directly inside the editor. You can generate code, refactor functions, and chat with AI inline without leaving your buffer or breaking your flow state. Third, real-time multiplayer collaboration. Built directly into the editor is a collaborative engine that feels like Google Docs for developers. You can share your workspace with a teammate via a simple link, edit code together in real time with shared cursors, and audio chat natively, all with imperceptible latency. And for terminal lovers, Zed includes a built-in, multi-tab terminal, Vim key bindings, split panes, and integrated Git status indicators, so your entire workflow stays in one clean, minimalist workspace. While Zed started exclusively on Mac OS, it has expanded with official Linux builds and active Windows development, making native, high-performance editing accessible across platforms. Best of all, Zed is completely open source. If you are tired of bloatware and want an editor that feels as fast as your brain can think, give Zed a try today. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more dev tools, and drop a comment below. Are you making the switch to Zed or sticking with VS Code? Until next time, happy coding.